for joining us today. We're here to demo some of our new capabilities from our platform, Distilled by Untitled. Today we're going to be showcasing some one-click analytics capabilities that we will bring to life using some direct-to-consumer e-commerce online sales data. So what we're looking at right now, we're going to look at total sales. You can easily, with one click, choose to look at quantity sold, back and forth, choose a specific date, look at May, and then I can choose my adventure across the top so I can determine how I want to drill. For now, I'm just going to look at the top 10. And as you can see, I'm starting with states, so I can see the top states that are driving my sales. If I want to sort that by contribution to growth, to see or share, so share of the month, or share change versus last month, what's picking up this month versus last month, and how that's shifting. With one click, I can sort it either direction. Now I want to understand what the key drivers of that sales trend in state 7 is. I'm going to just click into that and see that it's city 108. I can click into that and see that it's zip code 193. Now that I know that, I'm going to actually dig into state 7 now. And now that I'm there, I'm going to focus on specific SKUs. See what SKU is selling really well. SKU 1 is selling really well. Let's actually take a look at the different cities in which that SKU is sold within that state. You can see the top city. And then if we want to, instead of going into zip code, we can actually look at the customers within that. By simply clicking on that, we can see the customers there. So with one click, I can choose how I want to analyze the data and drill into it. Plenty of flexibility. Now the next thing that I want to do is I actually want to look at, let me look at the top 15 here. I'm going to look at my SKUs here. And look at the states within those SKUs, and I can actually see with one click I can break out and see the price versus volume distribution here. So you see demand curve whereby SKU 1 is actually selling the most in terms of sales and volume sold at a price point that's about average for the portfolio in terms of everything that's being sold, but you can certainly see as your prices decrease and you're able to sell more. You see that demand curve at play. If you then wanted to drill down into that performance across states, you see how it's broken out and the different price distribution for that product across these different states as well. I'm going to go home. I'm going to start state again, go into city. And as you can see, as I'm drilling in here, whenever I click, filters to tell me what I filtered. I can hide that if I want. So at any given point, I'm going to go home and choose how I want to view information in front of me. I can look at anything however I like. I can drill with one click. Go back. Sort. Change the measure.